Hello, Davita here. Welcome back to Abstract and Flow. I am here to do a pour for you, not a pro pour. Calm down, don't get excited. I'll do one later. I'm working on a new canvas size. This canvas is 15 by 30. Normally I work on 12 by 24 canvases, and that's my kind of go-to size. But we're going to mix it up. Now, this thing we do is called fluid art, right? So, let's do some fluid, abstract, and flow art. So the colors I'm going to use today are kind of leftover colors. And let me show them to you. So I know for sure that this is, excuse me, I know for sure that this is Art Minds bronze and Modern Masters antique bronze mixed together. That I know for sure because I used it earlier in another pour. And we're going to throw in some Deco Arts Extreme Sheen 24K. I haven't used that in a while. Got some Artist Loft Black in this container here. Now, this is the mystery color. I have no idea what brand, what I mixed it with. All I know is it's been sitting on my shelf of half-used paint cups for about 3 months. Smells like paint. It's a pretty color. I just don't know what it is. And every now and then I will take my unused portions and I'll just say it's a leftover paint pour. That's basically what I'm doing. So any leftover paints you have sitting on the shelf, add a little floetrol or add a little water, stir them up, give them a sniff, throw them on the canvas. Because sometimes those make the best pours. So I'm going to coat the canvas with white. And we're going to throw some paint on it. Okay? Okay. Okay, so I have really been in a true abstract painting type of mode. You know, I've done so many pro pours that, you know, I didn't want to lose my skills for doing, you know, other things. So I wanted to kind of get back to just experimenting and throwing some paint together. Now this is no, you know, particular technique. It's going to be a true abstract type of piece. I'm just going to throw some paint on the canvas. This is just my house paint and some H2O. We're going to spread that around just a little bit. And I wanted to have really good movement because I want the canvas to speak to me. Speak to me and tell me what it wants to do. So tonight, the canvas is in charge. And sometimes, you know, you really get some really pretty results when you do that. I'm going to torch and get some of those air bubbles I see. Okay. And like I said, no rhyme or reason. We're just going to put some paint on the canvas and see what happens. I got some paints I need to use up. Let me use them. I think I want to add a little bit more black. And for the heck of it, guess what I got? Some cloud paint. We're going to throw this around the perimeter. Let it mix in with it. And see what it does. I needed to use it up anyway. Now here's that mystery color I had. And I'm going to do just a thin line of that. Okay. So let's move some of this out the way. And let's go torch it a little bit. Air bubbles. And get my paper towel ready. Okay. So, fingers crossed. Here we go. Abstract piece. Some crazy colors. Let's see how it moves. And see if it gives us something. I don't like the way it's moving. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's come down this way and let's just see what happens. Okay, let's lay it down and see what we have. We got a hot mess. That's what we got. A hot, you know what mess. But we are going to, you know, I like that mystery color with that bronze. I just don't like, I think it's too much white. Let's torch it and see, let's see what happens. I like this little corner right here. Okay, I'm going to get my spatula. I'm sorry, my pellet knife. And, yeah, we are definitely going to play with this. Let's get this corner covered here. Okay. I don't know what happened. This is not what I intended. But look at it. I think it's interesting. I like it. I like the mystery color up against the bronze and the gold. And the cell formation here, which I didn't want to touch. And within the mystery color and then down on this corner, I think it balances it. I think I really like this. You know, this might be one that has to grow on me. Okay. I am done playing with my leftover paint creation. And I think it needs to grow on me. I mean, there's parts of it that I like. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. You all tell me in the comments what you think. I definitely like the colors. We'll see. We're going to let it dry and see what it looks like. So, let me, I'm kind of speechless, which never happens because I just don't know what to think about this. I like it, I kind of like it, and I kind of am on the fence about it. I think I kind of like it. I don't know. Okay. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to bring you in and show you the parts that I like. How about that? Okay, so right here, this corner, I love that corner. I like that little strip right there of black. And I like this little area here. Oh, look at that right there. That's pretty. See it? And that's kind of pretty right there too. Okay, I guess I like it. All right, people. I need to go to bed. So, give me some feedback in the comments. And this is it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Stay blessed. See you next pour. Bye.